sila. Dito sa letter ni Pablo, talagang 5 stars sila eh. Diba sa mga restaurant, pag Michelin 5 star, talagang sobrang sarap ng mga pagkain dyan. At syempre, sobrang mahal din. Ayan, sobrang mahal din. Pero kung paano sila pinuri ni Pablo as they are being used as an example, grabe. And siguro isipin natin ang pinag-uusapan natin sila ngayon. Yung Global Search Worship Center Kogyo, si Pablo, parang isipin natin nasa isang comment section tayo, pinag-uusapan natin yung Macedonian churches. Ano kaya masasabi natin? Kunyari, binaling sa ating bigla yung usapan. O, kamusta naman yung Global Search Worship Center Kogyo? Kamusta naman sila sa pagbibigay? Well, mga kapatid, ako personally, I appreciate yung pagbibigay ng bawat isa. Kasi talagang tawag dito, churches, different churches from other satellites are asking, paano natin na-reach yung ating giving. Talagang after the pandemic na nagkaroon po tayo, talagang yung giving natin, kung kayo po ay sumusubaybay, ay talagang nag-increase po yung giving natin. Right now, we are a million giving church. Yan. Per year, hindi po per day. Pero mahal ng Panginoon because this church is cultivated, no? Yung relationship mo sa Panginoon ay talagang nag-turn out into a giving heart. No? And yung sinabi ko yung giving church tayo, it means that also, dahil kami yung giving church tayo, marami tayong gawain na nasa gawa. Because of the giving, ito naman talaga, that very critical ang usapin tungkol sa pera regarding the church. Kasi yung gawain nga, it will be run, yes, by the power of God, people will be brought in, they will be, they know Christ, the power of God in their lives, maalaman naman talaga nila yan. Pero one of the resources na kailangan para mangyari yan is, yes, money. We don't love money. Okay, natin minamahal yung money. Pero yung church, of course, kailangan, pero even the New Testament and in the Old Testament, kinailangan yan para ma-build up yung mga churches. So, with that, no, I would say that our church, like in Macedonia, is I believe we are giving sacrificially. When we say we are giving sacrificially, it's not just turns out on yung 10% lang. I believe most of us here already are may heart na talagang more than the 10%. More than the 10%, talagang mag-offer sa Panginoon. Talagang ito, sacrificial na. Mas namin sacrificial, it's more than the required amount of 10%. Lord, I want to test you with this amount. I'm giving 50% this month. I'm giving 40% this month. I want to see you move sa buhay ko. And I believe most of us here already are doing that. Pero sa iba na gusto pang i-level up yan, ito yung mensahe natin ngayon. And in this sermon, ito yung mapapakinggan natin. How can we really give out sacrificially pa, even more sa Panginoon?